Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure your FTP server on Ubuntu server. First we have to install our FTP server. To do this we have to type this. And as you can see, installation is done. Now we have to enter our configuration file. And here you can edit your file as much as you can and as you want. You can just change bunch of stuff, like for example this banner. It's the like welcome communication, like a message, and we can just change this and it will be now what's up, my homie. Or maybe we can we can change the server that it will only share for anonymous users. So to do this we have to change this no to yes. And if we want only anonymous users and no local, we have to change this yes for no. And you can, as I said earlier, you can do very bunch of stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.